Hi, my name is Jacob, and our group decided to come to the design spot in the arcade library, a free 3D printing spot. So we'll head on inside. Right in here we have the different computers to download your 3D files and our different 3D printers. They're able to choose your color of red, white, black, and purple over that way. And I'll go ahead and pass it on over to Daniel, and we'll talk about what we made.
Good morning, my name is Daniel. Our design project was a surfing bear, and as you can see here, here's the wave, and here's the bear surfing. And we also had supports throughout the bear, such as in his paws and his chin, but we decided to remove them.
Hello, my name is Albina. So at first our group wanted to make a surfer because surfing is the California state sport, and then after looking at several different models we thought that this one was the best. So we decided why not combine the state animal, the bear, and the state sport, surfing. So we made a surfing bear.
Hi, my name is Mola, and we chose to go with Thingiverse to get the file for printing the bear. And here we have a software that's called MakerBot, basically where we upload the file from the flash drive that's there, and then we get an estimate for how long it's going to take. So the current estimate is around 5-6 hours basically, but we chose to scale it down to bring it under 3 hours, and that's what we're going to do.